Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the best Amazon home decor this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks. So let's start the video. Pillow covers. 100% velvet. Soft, comfortable material. Classic traditional soft velvet fabric. Comforter and durability. 2-pack decorative sofa cushion covers. Gold color is gentle and clean. Skin friendly. Quantity. Sold by set of 2 PCS gold throw pillow covers. Inserts not include. High quality, easy insertion. Made with invisible zipper and allows easy insertion and remove inserts. Zipper longer than 35 centimeters. Very easy to put pillow inserts. The throw couch pillow covers suite for living room, bed, chair, window seat, coffee shop, office, and car. Washing instruction. Just throw it to the machine and get a clean, pretty new cushion cover. Use the cold water and low temperature drying. When you get Gijazaza pillow covers, anytime, please don't hesitate to contact us and advise your all-improved suggestions. Wall storage. Space-saving look meter 4-pack acrylic shelves for wall provide multi-layer storage, allowing you to utilize wall space more efficiently. You can conveniently store everything while keeping your room organized. It's a great space-saving wall organizer. Unique decoration for any ROM invisible display shelves for bedroom, living room, bathroom, kitchen can not only display your items, but also add decor to your room. Everything looks clear on the acrylic wall shelf with high transparency. You can find your item quickly. 2 easy ways to install clear wall shelves have pre-drilled holes, detailed instructions, and all necessary mounting hardware screws, wall anchors, plastic spacers, which makes installation simple and easy in a few minutes. Blackout curtains. Linen. 100% total blackout UV protection. Joydeco blackout curtains are double-layered with a gray liner on the back. The innovative double-woven textured fabric can block out 100% sunlight and harmful UV ray. Deep colors work better, keeping room cooler against heat in summer and retaining the room warm in winter. Convenient dual hanging system. Joydeco blackout curtains for bedroom combine rod pockets, 1.5 diameter, and discrete back tabs for effortless installation on standard or decorative rods. Maintains elegant folds while adjusting smoothly. Premium faux linen texture. Our linen curtains crafted from heavyweight yet drapey polyester linen blend. Tight weave ensures durability, noise reduction, and privacy while maintaining a soft, natural aesthetic. Energy-saving thermal insulation. Dense double-weave fabric traps indoor temperatures year-round, reducing AC/heating costs by up to 25%. Our window curtains drapes is ideal for extreme climates. Area rugs. Modern design. Are you looking for decor to brighten up your space? Ofani Area Rug is designed to provide you with a luxurious, comfortable living environment. With its solid color design, our rugs are suitable for various styles and rooms, including modern, minimalistic, farmhouse, European, and more. The 5x8-foot carpet is suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, dorms, playrooms, study rooms, home offices, and children's rooms, boy or girl. Easy to clean. Whether it's everyday dust or accidental spills, cleaning is a breeze. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth or use a vacuum to quickly restore the rug's cleanliness and beauty. Save time and effort while keeping your home looking fresh and tidy with minimal effort. Bath mat rug. 100% memory foam. Cozy memory foam. Enjoy the comfort of standing on the clouds. Thick and fluffy contact surface offers exceptional comfortable feels. Perfect for bathroom, vanity, vacation home, master bathroom, kids' bathroom, and guest suite. Great idea for all occasions: Christmas, wedding, Father's Day, Mother's Day, and Valentine's Day. Super water absorption. The soft velvet microfiber layer can absorb as much water as possible from your wet feet, and the water do not stay on the surface on the bath mat. Non-slip backing. Yamobra bathroom mat rug is constructed with strong PVC backing, which helps to prevent shifting and skidding. And it will hold up for years to come, unlike many other brands, whose rubber backing tends to wear and peel off after multiple washes. Prevent from slipping. Please make sure the surface under the mat is smooth, clean, and dry. Digital wall mount clock. 1 6-inch large display width, 15.35 inches. Height, 5.11 inches. It has a 16 large screen. Allow you to read clearly from any angles, far distance. Especially user-friendly for the elderly. It's also a nice decorative stuff for your room. Modern night light with the night light at the bottom. It will provide a warm atmosphere for your living room. It can also light up the room so that you don't need to turn on the light when you go to toilet at night. Do both for wall-mounted and desktop. It can be hung on the wall or just elegantly stand on the desktop. Have to plug in, it's not battery operated. It must work with 5V/2A power adapter and 11.5 feet cable cord included. There's a memory battery inside, so it will remember your setting even it's disconnected. Shower safety mats. Vinyl. Extra large bath shower safety mats. No chemical smell, vinyl quality material. Heavy duty and standard dimensions and rectangle shape makes it lays flat in any smooth bath floors. Non-slip shower mats with hundreds of suction cups. Yinin anti-slip bath mats features 200 suction cups that help hold in place on smooth surfaces. Powerful suction cups offer 360-degree safety protection for users. Yinin shower safety mat is a great choice for the home, gym, spa, and more. Warning: Yinin bath shower safety mat only attached to smooth and clean surface. Don't for use on textured, tiled, or non-smooth surfaces. Do not use bath oils in case of slipping. It's recommended to allow the mat to air out in a well-ventilated area for 24 hours before use if you encounter a strong odor when the package is first opened. Wooden incense holder. No messy ashes everywhere. The incense holder captures all the fallen ashes to ensure that the ashes do not mess up on the table and can be easily removed and cleaned. You don't have to worry about the wind, air conditioner, or fan blowing ash everywhere. Ceremony incense holder comes with upgraded clip. The opening size of the clip is 1 5 mm, which can firmly hold different sizes of incense. The metal holder is firm and not easy to bend and deform. It is easy to use and will not lose the fragrance or damage the incense sticks. This incense stick holder can not only be used as an incense burner, but also as a great home decoration, artwork, and desktop decoration. The fragrant smoke flows from bottom to top in a glass bottle with dreamy and beautiful movements. This is a design that brings joy and anticipation. Artificial flowers. Plastic. Package. The package includes 12 bundles artificial daisy flowers. Bendable/foldable/flexible. High-quality water-resistant. High-quality silk material daisy flowers and plastic eucalyptus leaves. UV and all-weather resistant. It will blooms all year round. Home decorations. Beautiful artificial outdoor plants are suitable for home, garden, porch, patio, window box, indoor and outside decorations. Brings beauty to your home. Realistic artificial plants. These artificial outdoor plants are real-looking. These artificial branches exude a stylish and authentic appearance, rendering them ideal decorations for your home, garden, yard, patio, balcony, both indoors and outdoors. Daisy flowers with eucalyptus leaves. Elevate your home's ambience with these 12 bundles of daisy flowers, colorful flowers with green leaves. Infuse natural beauty into your living spaces. Display rack. Manufactured from wood. Simple stylish design comes in multiple color options, is functional and suitable for any room. 5-tier shelving unit, ideal for both storage and display, suitable for books, magazines, or decorative items. Each shelf has a weight capacity of 10 pounds. Rounded edge design prevents potential injuries. Manufactured from high-quality durable composite wood, carb-compliant composite wood carrying the program for the endorsement of forest certification, PFC, and PVC tubes. Product dimensions, 11.6 D into 11.6 W into 57.7 H inches.